This is my beautiful new marble front porch. We removed the old tile and replaced it with this thick marble stone, and I'm going to show you today how to apply some enhancing sealant on top of the stone. The stone goes from this more pale white color, doesn't have a whole lot of definition, to this very dramatic marble. You can see the veining incredibly well. That is all done with this enhancing sealant. Follow along if you want to see how this is done. First step is to clean up your stone. So I'm going to use a broom here. Earlier, about a week ago, I already did most of this stone. As you can see, it's already got the enhancement on it. I used a pressure washer to really clean up this stone after it was fully installed. But I'll clean up now the parts of the stone that have not yet received sealant. The stone is cleaned up, so I'm going to begin applying the sealant. This is a special kind of sealant. It's oil-based. Oil-based is meant to, at least more permanently than water-based, enhance your stone. This really soaks into the stone. This particular stone is interesting because it's not polished, it's sandblasted after it was cut. Sandblasted because it'll have a nice texture here that you can't slip, but that does hide some of the natural veining. This natural veining is evident when you spray it with water. So this stone, when you spray it with water or it gets wet with rain, ends up looking like this stone here, which is kind of a cool effect. But I want to keep it looking wet. People will call it retaining a wet look. So this Tenax Ager impregnating sealant is some of the best professional grade sealant that you can buy for stone, indoor and outdoor. I got it from Amazon, link in the description below to get your own. I'm going to empty some of it out into a small container. Be careful, it can eat through thin plastic containers. I'll empty out a little bit. I'm going to be careful with it because this stuff is not cheap. This container here was about $60, but it does go very far. So you can spread it on your stone in a number of different ways. I'm going to use a brush. Some people will pour a little bit on the stone surface, at least the horizontal surfaces, and spread it around with a paint roller or a squeegee. You just want to apply it to your stone evenly and let it sit and soak in for a little bit. So let's go. Okay, so this stone was sealed already. You can see the veining. This one was not. And watch this as I brush on a bit of the sealant. It's going to really begin to just pop with color and definition. There's a vein showing through here. Looks really dramatic. So this professional grade sealant, I didn't find it at Lowe's or Home Depot. This is definitely a commercial grade specialty product. The closest I found at Home Depot was 511, specifically the oil-based version of that. But I highly recommend this product if you really want the best outcome. Now that looks really cool. I'll show you again application to another part of this patio. This part was not complete. The reason this wasn't complete was because I ran out of my first container. I had to buy a second container to finish this front porch. So check this out. Looks nice. Another purpose of the sealer is to prevent staining. So if liquids, like talking oil, drinks, wine or something was spilled on this stone, natural stones will absorb that and discolor. With a sealant, the stone will absorb far less of that material and will not discolor as easily. So this sealer can be applied not only to marble, but all kinds of natural and unnatural stone. Think of travertine is common. I might apply some of that in the backyard. Following application, you let this soak into the stone for at least a few minutes, and then use a rag and you can come along and wipe up the excess. This particular stone is very absorbent and quickly pulls in all of this product. So I don't even have to use a rag, especially here on the vertical surfaces. The directions indicate that you can also apply a second coat if desired, if that appears to make a difference. Also, they offer this product in something called it's an Ager or Tenax Tiger that's supposed to be even more color enhancing for especially stone that is not polished, maybe stone that is sandblasted. Regardless, this alone already gives me a great result. Barely visible before, these veins are now clearly evident, and this looks outstanding. You'll have to wait 24 hours before stepping onto your newly sealed stone, but following that, you have protection that's going to last many years. If needed, apply this product again in a few years. So I hope this helps you with your project.